Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be talking about three kaftans, the most asked questions on Google, answering the five most asked questions about wearing a kaftan and styling a kaftan, and giving you tidbits on how you can style the muumuu. The muumuu style a kaftan is how you could style it, make you look slimmer and chicer. So we'll be talking about all this. But before we go any further, let me publish the poll. Do you like wearing a kaftan? Yes, no, I haven't tried it yet. The poll's active, so I can know about you guys if you guys wear a kaftan or not, or you are clueless about what a kaftan is. And where are you guys watching me from? If you're watching me live, say live San Diego, live San Francisco, live Dubai. If you're watching me on replay, I love my replay viewers. This video stays here on Facebook live. It goes on on replay. You can watch it on replay on YouTube, on Facebook here, and on Instagram. And hey, if we haven't met before, hi. My name is Sandhya Garg. You may or may not remember me from Project Runway Season 13, your favorite Tim Gunn and Heidi Klum fashion reality show, the US version. I was on Season 13. We had the best season. I'm biased, obviously, but we had a lot of fashion, a lot of drama. So go watch Project Runway Season 13 and tell me what do you think about my work and what do you think about the show. And if you have a friend who loves Project Runway, tag them in comments below. Just say at the rate and your friend's name, or share this video, because then I get to go talk about kaftans to more people. So do that, guys. Please share this video. And if you have any burning questions about fashion, about kaftan, about textile, I am a fashion, textile, print, color nerd. I'm the Dexter of all these things. So if you have any questions, do put them in comments below. I read all your comments. And if you are curious about what, because I get asked, what are you doing after your season? Are you even doing fashion anymore? Go check my website, www.sandhyagarg, my name, SANDHYAGARG.com. Go check out my website, check out my latest work, and tell me what do you think about it. And if you love yourself a gorgeous designer custom dress, do put your name in when the pop-up pops up on the website about the dress giveaway, and we'll surely put you in our monthly dress giveaway raffle. And yeah, and you can get a lot of perks and a lot of fabulous fashion tips and advice. So do go check out my website. And of course, if you love fashion, you are here. Do follow my page labeled Sandhya Garg wherever Facebook is showing it. And on Instagram, it's Sandhya Garg 11. On TikTok, it's sandhyagarg.com. Do follow. So without further ado, let me talk about kaftans. I'm going to start with answering a few of the questions, and then we can take it to, let's see, let's start with the most basic one. What is the difference between kaftan and kaftan? So kaftan starting with a K and kaftan starting with C. Well, in honesty, there is no difference. You can, both spellings are right. You can spell it the way you like. Both kaftan with a K and kaftan with a C are right and mean the same thing. So whatever floats your boat. That's question number one. Let's take it to question number two. Is it appropriate to wear a kaftan? Oh yes. Oh yes. I mean, I'm wearing a kaftan style dress. It's always appropriate to wear kaftan. Kaftan is usually super elegant and flattering no matter your body shape or size, and it's very comfortable too. So it is always appropriate to wear a kaftan. You can wear a casual kaftan if you're just having a day of shopping and lunch. You can do an embroidered, beaded, gorgeous silk kaftan if you're going for a wedding or a party. So the the occasion decides the appropriateness, and the formality of the kaftan decides whether you can wear it or not wear it. So those are your two questions answered. Let me show you what I am wearing, and then I can answer three more kaftan related questions. Bear with me. Yeah. I am using the Facebook Live feature. So let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Bell uh, kaftan. It is so comfy, you guys. I absolutely love it. It's made with pure cotton, 100% cotton. So so beautiful. Look at these sleeves. It's from my collection, the Art Nouveau collection, Gaudi collection. If you don't know, I make my own prints, so all these prints are custom made. They are limited edition exclusive prints. It's all handmade by me. Look how pretty that kaftan is. I know you can't see the whole look from head to toe. I'm doing it with nice matching Gucci sandals. So I would recommend, this is a teaser. You need to go to my website to see the whole kaftan in action. So the Bell pink kaftan dress, I want to show you the neckline. It's got the loose stylish petal sleeve, super stunning. I actually usually wear a size medium or a size large, but I'm doing a size small so that it feels more fitted here. But you could also do like a looser kaftan style and then belt it up, accessorize it with pretty neck pieces. you know uh, Kaftan's like a loose, elegant dress that you kind of, in Middle Eastern countries, you would wear it over whatever you were wearing in super hot countries, to for kind of, it kind of made people look royal, more elegant. So that's the style that a kaftan is when we talk about it. So, and then there are kaftan style dresses that are loose, gorgeous, elegant looking dresses. Now this could be a maxi dress or a kaftan style dress. It's both. And right here, and the sleeves kind of end on my elbow. I am 5'5", and I am wearing heels with it. So the dress is, kaftan dress ends at the hem. The hem ends at the floor. So it's so beautiful and elegant. That's dress number one. I want you to see all the beautiful details here. We have this stunning velvet piping, and it's got these stunning panels, so that the dress is cut in a beautiful shapely way, and it's a little bit on bias to kind of hug your body, right? It's also got this beautiful gold in the weaving, so it's so elegant and chic. I could do this to a party right now. I'm doing it with these pretty earrings that I got from Paris. So I could just do it to a party, to a dinner, and get so many compliments. Just done minimal makeup, done simple hair, and that's all you need to do for bell kaftan. If you like the bell kaftan, give me a heart. In comments below, put a heart. So that's bell kaftan for you. And if I was wearing, so just a few styling tips. If I was wearing a super loose kaftan and I didn't like that it was super loose, I would just belt it up with one of my nice designer belts. Take the bulk in the back, like I'm pulling it right now, push it in my back, so that it kind of looks stylish. If that doesn't work, you can spread the volume by making it look like little pleats or little gathers around your waist. So that's one way for a kaftan to look slimmer. And then of course sleeves also, like I think these sleeves are so cute, but you could work around with like super loose sleeves, and it will give your body such an elegant shape if you define your waist in a loose kaftan to look slim. So that's one of my styling advices. Now let me show you kaftan number 2, and then I'm going to answer 2 more burning kaftan related questions. Now dress number 2, I'm going to share the link. It is the gorgeous Espana kaftan dress on this stunning lady right here. It's these beautiful stripes, super silky soft fabric. I just love the sleeves of this dress, and then this bohemian boho details right here with the fringe and the tassel, so on trend, super in fashion, in rainbow colors. It goes all the way around. The neck is super flattering, and the dress is like a straight dress with slits. You could do it with sneakers, with sandals, with tie-up shoes. you're gonna get so many compliments. You'll be stopping the crowd. That's how cute this dress is. The fabric is absolutely breathable, and just it feels so cool on my hand right now. We've cut it like in a beautiful shape and just given it a bust dart for the fit, and that's it for the gorgeous Espana kaftan. If Espana kaftan is more your style, give me a thumbs up in emojis below. I mean, I would do this super casually with like white or black shoes, and then do like nice cute earrings, and that's it, and then I'm going to Disney World. I'm enjoying my rides in this kaftan. That's how effortlessly chic this piece is. And if you want to check it out or shop this kaftan, go to my website or just simply tap on the link, and Facebook will take you to shop. The fun part. Let me take you to my kaftan questions now, and then let me answer two more questions. So, oh, this one's my favorite. What shoes do you wear with a kaftan? So you can wear any shoes. Right now, I'm doing like these mule Gucci shoes. Let me take them out and show them to you right here, with like 1.5 inch heel. You could do sandals. You could do like what wedges look amazingly well. You could do heels in metallic colors. So depending on how formal or how casual you want to go, you could do any kind of shoes with a kaftan dress. I personally feel a flat tie up gladiator style sandal looks very flattering with a kaftan, because then if you are lifting your kaftan up, you kind of show off your shoes. It looks super stylish. So that's one of my takes on what shoes you can wear with a kaftan. Now let's take another question, which is, what do you wear under a kaftan? Now, honestly, you don't have to wear anything under a kaftan. Like what the kaftan dress I'm wearing is not transparent, so I need to just not wear anything under it. But you could do it as a beach swim suit cover up. So you could do your swimsuit underneath the kaftan. You could do leggings if that's something that makes you feel comfortable. You could wear leggings under a kaftan. You could have, if your kaftan is super duper loose and you are just wearing it as an elegant outerwear, then you could obviously wear whatever you want under the kaftan. But we want to make sure you don't end up looking super bulky. But again, if it's cold weather or a hot weather, anything goes. Like under this kaftan, if I had to wear something, I would not wear a collared shirt that might show. So it's kind of you decide when you look at the piece and the occasion and the weather. So that's the whole thing, like what to wear under kaftan. Now those are my two questions answered. I still have one burning question, so bear with me while I show you the last kaftan pick that I have, and that is from my latest collection, the stunning Tangier kaftan dress. It's this ombre satin dress. It has pockets. It's super cute. How stunning is that dress? Look at it. And it has a nice waist tie up. The sleeves are to die for. I'm telling you, like, such a fun kaftan to wear. Super soft fabric. It shines. Like, you could do it to a dinner date. Just if you're meeting friends. It's such a beautiful kaftan dress. It's also appropriate as a wedding guest dress. So if you're going for a fall wedding or a summer wedding to a cruise, Tangier kaftan is the one you want to be wearing. It ends as a midi kaftan style dress, so you can do it with a little leg showing. Absolutely fun, kind of dressy casual kaftan style. If Tangier kaftan is more your style, please give me a wow face. Give me a wow face in comments below, so I know which one of these three you like. 1, 2, or 3. Which one's your favorite? So those are 3 kaftans from my side. I've brought you a maxi length, a midi length, and a shorter midi length kaftan, and I featured the links. So if you want to go look at them as a whole, don't be shy. Click that link and go there. And now let me answer one of the last kaftan questions. Which body type should wear kaftan? So honestly, I think kaftan is one outfit that goes well on all body shapes. I'm an hourglass body shape and I feel it looks great on me. If you have an apple shape, a pear shape, a rectangle shape, a triangle shaped body, a kaftan is a flattering style or a flattering dress no matter what your body shape is. So just put it on, style it your way. If even if you don't have a thin waist, kaftan is especially flattering on you because it just falls straight and looks elegant. So kaftan looks good on all body shapes and sizes. So that's question number 5. Don't forget to shop the pieces I showed you and go check out my website www.sandhyagarg sandhyagarg.com. Do go see my season of Project Runway, and thank you for joining me. I love it when you guys come show up. Do stay excited for my next live, which will be in 2 weeks, and maybe I'll do a live. I'm going to Disney World for my birthday, so maybe I'll do a live from there. So we'll see. Thank you for joining me, guys. Mwah. Bye. Take care.